Hello, this is Xun from VISUALEADER.
Hello everyone, this is Anna. Welcome to our broadcasting room.
Today we are going to introduce our innovative rental LED screen TG1.8.
So we are going to introduce these products by 5 points. First of all, you can tell from the name, the pixel pitch is the smallest pixel pitch for rental. It's P1.875. So
how do you think of the application situation for this product?
I think it's a very perfect product for a high-end eventing and very perfect for indoor use and close viewing.
Can I have a look at it?
Yes, you can check it. It's modular design.
What do you mean by modular design?
Check this. Let me show you.
Okay.
You can remove the module.
Okay, I'll give you a hand.
Okay.
Like this?
Yes.
Push.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so tight.
Yeah. And check the back.
Oh.
Here's a power box. You can also remove the power box by these screws. Okay, here we have one already removed. So you can check. This is power box, modules, and cabinet. All parts are independently can be removed independently. You can also check the bottom of this cabinet. Because it's a small pixel pitch product, it's very important to protect the lamps. You can check this angle here. There is 15 degree, not totally straight to the ground. So the bottom of the lamp can be perfectly protected.
Oh, that's a good design. So
Yes.
we can protect the corners, especially the corners from hitting the ground and
Yes.
broken the
Yes.
dial and the PCBs.
Yes, correct.
This is a good design.
Yes. And this product is for rental, so it's also important our installation can be operated by one person. So here inside, they built in the very strong magnetic, so that you can totally connect to cabinets by one person.
Like this.
Yeah.
We are attached to the
Yes.
other cabinet by itself.
Yes.
Okay.
The magnetic can totally hold one cabinet before you connect the cabinets by the handle.
What's the weight of this cabinet?
It's around 8 kilograms. Yeah, it's very light.
So it totally supports the single person operation and it's light, so one person can lift the cabinet and lock it, right?
Yes. I think you can also very curious why it's so small pixel pitch products can be used for rental. Why? Because you can check the surface. Here, there's glue on the board to protect the lamps. You can check when I put the finger on it. It's totally flat, the glue on the surface. So when anything scratch it, yeah, the lamps can be totally protected perfectly.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can I have a try?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on for a second. I use my car key to scratch on it to check. Wow. It's totally protected.
Yeah, you can see this because it's glue on the board. If you pour water on it, yeah, check it. Yeah.
Oh, the water. So it's totally waterproof.
Yeah.
Like this, no water. See? Okay, can you make an introduction to this technology? I mean the GOB.
GOB is not a new technology from recently, but now it's a very mature